You know what happened? 3 billion last quarter, 2 billion this quarter. What's that among friends? It's actually a rounding error for Facebook. So that's not the big deal. I think the real big deal is what they're going to do about investing to support privacy, what they're doing around the world to invest in that headcount. And as you can see, their operating expenses are increasing as their ad sales are slowly declining. And of course, they're slowing down on subscriber growth. But the good news is they're actually making more per revenue per user, and they're showing that they're actually being able to target customers better and also deliver more on the ad network and the ad network side that they've been talking about.
Are you optimistic overall, Ray? When you look at, you've just pointed to a number of positive things when it comes to Facebook and their numbers. But this whole privacy issue, even though the fine is, as you said, not much between friends, it's still a big deal, and it's going to continue to be one going forward. In particular, when you look at a situation like Libra, we've already seen a bunch of fake accounts that have, essentially saying that they are the real Libra accounts when Libra hasn't even been launched. And this is just yet another concern, building on all of the other issues that Facebook is facing.
You know, Oriel, you're so right? I know other folks have forecasts in the 220, 230 range. We actually think they're going to end the year probably around 200, mostly because of the downside pressure. Headcount's up 31% to 39,000 and some change of employees, almost 40,000. They're spending a lot of money and effort to re-architect, as Mark Zuckerberg said on the earnings call, re-architect their system to support security measures. Mark Zuckerberg and Sheryl Sandberg have not publicly said privacy is not dead yet. And of course, there's a lot of investment going into the AR, VR portion, which has a lot of promise. Now, the good news is that they're making a lot of strides with Instagram and Stories. That's the revenue growth engine for them at the moment. And Stories across the entire platform is giving them a lot of synergies that we may not have expected. So I think there's good news, there's bad news, but what I'm more worried about is when the EU gets in there and starts digging around and saying, look, we need more privacy protections, we need to adjust more regulations, we're going to fine you and slap you on the hand just because it's important to make a point that privacy is important. And so I think all those actors are still out there, and that's why we have that downside risk on them.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.